Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go again, my bossing. Welcome back to Voibokas Toy Box. And in this episode, we're going to unbox and review another cool Tanjiro Kamado Maximatic figure from Banpresto. So if you guys one of the Demon Slayer fans, this is one of the figure that you should have in your collections. So you can see the seller is really keeping this toys. So as you can see, this is really wrapped so good with this like plastic wrapper. Never seen this before. This person to get a toys in this kind of protection. So let's take it out. It's warning, of course. Any plastic, should be careful. Anyway, okay, so this is not just a cheap plastic wrapper, pretty tight. So there you go. Kind of hard to remove it. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. There you go. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see. There you go. Take it up. Take another one here. Okay, okay. Always the best way to remove the bags. There you go. Quick instructions here. Some QR code. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Like 3 pieces. Maybe 4 with the straw. Here we go. Pull it out. No more. Throw it out. Okay, so get the sword, katana, oh, this figure is quite heavy, really good. Okay, got another stand here and a 2-part body. Okay, still the belt is need to fix it. Okay, nice. So let's take it out. Okay, let's show you guys first the katana. Another nice looking figure here. Swords here. So you can see it's already black katana or black blade on the sheet here. Nice. So something here, I think, to put it at the back, and while holding it, let's see if we can put it on. Okay, no, I guess not. there's a hole, right? So I think, okay, and then of course, let's take out the stand first before anything else. Okay, we got here Monday Spirits made in China. Okay, what we can do here, that's this way. Okay, let's do this. Okay. And okay, let's continue cutting it. So before that, the bottom parts first. Okay, there's the legs. Look at that sculpt. Really good, really amazing. I like the way they doing that and how it poses, and even the flip-flops. That's cool. And of course the bolt, and there you go, the upper torso. Look at those details, the veins in that hands, really cool. Even the paint job here on the face, so detailed, very detailed. The eyes, I don't know if they're doing it by machine, but that's really cool. Really cool. Nice dye, hair dye. Okay, and even detail here. Interesting. Okay, so you guys can see. Okay, let's put this on. Nice, because it was supposed to be standing up like that. Then of course we need to put this on first. Where? Okay, there you go. I think with those things. There you go. So it will looks like it's been tied on the belt. And buckle in. Nice. Okay, it's quite hard. Try it again. Okay. Keep losing. I can't put this on right. Okay, there you go. I think that's good enough. And should be this way or this way? Of course, this way. And here we go. Look at that. So ready to talk. Very nice figure. Great for your Demon Slayer collection. I highly recommend this one. There you go, nice. Okay. Okay, so here we go, my bossing. This one is really looking good. That one is really nice. Look at that. I like the way, you know, like the action movement or the action pose of this figure. It's really amazing. I like it. I wish I have like a bad guy here, like the villains, right? So I was thinking like a diorama kind of things. So I don't know which one will be the nice one, and hoping that there's also like an action that's also ready to fight or defend from that sack of Tanjiro, right? So I think it's a good one. I love it. I want to put it on my collection on display. So there you go, guys. I really highly recommended this one. I hope you also like it. And if you're not a subscriber yet, hopefully with this review and unboxing video, you're going to click that subscribe buttons now, so you're always updated with those. If you click also those bell icon, that's totally cool. It's really awesome. I really appreciate that. And please don't forget to like and share this video. There you go, guys. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.